Hey everybody, this is Mr. Brooks. I'm going to solve 4 problems for you for multi-step equations. And again, I always harp on this. I want you to know what you're doing because I want you to think of 1-step equations different from 2-step, different from the next one is multi-step. So look at it, and obviously if it's big and chunky, it's probably multi-step, and that means you need to simplify first, okay? So how do you simplify? Well, you can either combine like terms or you can distribute. And by the way, I guess I wrote these out of order because according to PEMDAS, you want to distribute first, right? Distributes multiplies. You want to multiply and divide before you add and subtract. Okay, so here I can not distribute because there's no parentheses, but I can combine like terms. So I have 2 like terms. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. And see, I just brought the 3 down. And then from here, I only have 1x and I have no x on this side, so I'm trying to get x by itself, so I want to cancel off this guy. So the inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. And this leaves you with 4x is equal to 0. Now, some students are going to say x equals 0, but that's not true. Well, I guess it is true right now, but in this case it is. Or they'll say x is no solution. There is a solution, x is 0. 4 times what number is 0? Or you can think about the inverse of multiply by 4 is divide, so x equals 0. How many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. Okay, the next one is this one. I'm going to make my river. And I've got no distribute, but I've combined like terms, so that's negative 5a equals 5. And this is negative 5 times a, so the inverse is multiply. And a mistake might be to divide by 5. This will actually give you negative a. So this is negative 5 times a, so I want to divide by negative 5. Negative 5's cancel, and a is equal to negative 1. 5 divided by negative 5 is negative 1. All right, here's 1, and this time I have parentheses, so I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to multiply negative 3 by both. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12p, 42. And then this becomes 2-step. So I'm going to cancel off this one first by adding and subtracting. Plus 6. Negative 12p is equal to 48. Divide both sides by negative 12. And that becomes p is equal to negative, this goes into it 4 times. Okay, last one. And in this case, it looks like I'm going to distribute, and because I have this guy out here, I'm going to combine like terms after I distribute. So I'm going to distribute right here. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. Negative 4 times negative 3k is positive 12. Okay, and here's my like terms. So I'm going to put these together. So it's 16 plus 12k is equal to 56. This is now 2-step plus or minus first. 12k is equal to 40. And divide by 12. K is equal to, it's not 4. I think we're just going to reduce the fraction. So 3 1/3. So you can say 3 1/3. Oops. Sorry, you can say 3 1/3. You can say 3.33. You can say 10 over 3. All 3 of those are the same answers, okay? All right.